Good morning, student. Our today's topic is sterilization, its principle and applications. So, what is sterilization? The process of killing or removing bacteria and all other forms of living or microorganisms and their spares from preparation. This is called as sterilization process. The essential concept in the preparation of sterile pharmaceutical products. So, what is its aim? Its aim is to provide a product that is safe and eliminates the possibility of introducing. Now we will discuss the importance of sterilization. In medical sterilizations, it prevents the growth of diseases. In any medical tool or devices used, bacteria comes onto it, it left unchecked or not disinfected properly. So it is highly likely that bacteria will grow. Next, it prevents the spread of diseases. If surgical equipment is not properly sterilized, patients treated are exposed to a disease the previous patient had. Next is it prevents double surgeries. If unsterilized equipment is used, it can cause an infection leading to another surgery later on in order to remove it. This is costly and can cause many life-threatening complications. So, what are the? This is all about principle of sterilization. Now we'll discuss what is the method of sterilization. There are three methods of sterilization. The first method is physical method, second is chemical, and third is mechanical method of sterilization. In physical method, there are three types of sterilization. First is dry heat sterilization, second is moist heat sterilization, third is sterilization by radiation, that is gamma radiation. Next is chemical method, in which gaseous sterilization occur. In this, sterilization by disinfectant. Next method is mechanical method. In this, we will pass through the bacteria through filter. So, in physical method of sterilization, there are different types of instruments are used. In dry heat, we use oven. In moist heat, we use autoclave. In radiation, we use gamma ray chamber. So, in dry heat sterilization, the instrument that is oven is a specially designed instrument that electrically heated and thermostatically controlled, and it exposed at 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. So its advantage is it is suitable method for sterilization of substances destroyed by moisture. And what are the disadvantages? Long heating time in high temperature is disadvantage. Next is moist heat sterilization. Its instrument is autoclave. So heating process in autoclave, saturated steam under pressure is allowed to penetrate it through materials for 15 minutes and temperature at 121 degrees Celsius. Advantage is microorganisms are killed most efficiency in lesser time due to high pressure saturated steam. And then disadvantage is unsuitable for materials not withstanding temperature of 115 degrees Celsius or more during heating. Next is sterilization by radiation. So there are two techniques involved. Activation chemical lead to form new compound in cells, destroying the microorganism itself. Then vital structures like nuclear protein are destroyed, killing the microorganism. Its example is cobalt-60 used for gamma ray sterilization process. What is gamma ray? It is generally obtained from radioisotope during disintegration of unstable atoms. and it kills microorganisms by isolating atoms of essential substance of cells present in them. So what are the advantages? No significant rise in temperature and continuous process due to short exposure time. Next disadvantage are may lead to color change, solubility of preparation, leading to decomposition of certain materials. Next, we will discuss chemical method. So, gaseous sterilization like ethylene oxide used a special type of chemical installation using gases and vapor. The gas used is safe and non-inflammable. So nowadays, ethylene oxide most widely used gaseous sterilization agent in medical science. Its advantages are it has penetration power quite useful for sterilization, surgical instruments such as catheter, needles, plastic disposal. And advantages are very low sanitization installation process and very costly equipment. Next is what is disinfection? So disinfection is a decontamination, removal of microorganisms contaminating an object. So, what is preservation? Preventing method of microbes caused spoilage of susceptible products such as pharmaceutical and food. So, sanitization is removal of microbes that cause a threat to the public health, food industry, and water conditions. So disinfectants are the chemical agents like alcohol, aldehyde, halogens, phenols, surfactants, and heavy materials. Its example is ethylene oxide, which is most commonly used for sterilization. And its advantages are widely used in hospitals for material that cannot withstand steam sterilization. And its disadvantages are 40 to 60% humidity in sterilizing chambers. Next is mechanical method. The solution to be sterilized is passed through dust filter or skin filter, which includes particulate filters, microbial filters, and final filters. Then pharmaceutical solutions are sterilized by this method. The microorganisms are physically removed by absorption on the filter medium or by mechanism. So filtration, filling, and sealing process are under a septic condition. Then sterilization test must be done. So these are the uh, what are the future prospects of sterilization? So in the near future, the main challenge as biomedical engineer is to make the sterilization process more reliable, more reusable, non-polluting, cost-effective, time-less, consuming, and better availability at hospital, pharmaceutical, drug industry, and food processing plants. So that is all about sterilization principle and application. Thank you. Hope you like this video. If you have any query, you can write down in comment section.